Hey guys, I'm Jonathan Fuller with the Gray Group at Keller Realty here in Tuscaloosa at the newly renovated 404 Shiloh Lane here in Academy Drive. Come check it out. This spacious floor plan features 4 bedrooms, 2 upstairs, and 2 down. One thing I love about this home is the newly remodeled kitchen. It features a subway backsplash, brand new stainless steel appliances, and quartz countertops. Another great thing about this home is that it features brand new wood floors, both upstairs and down. The bathroom boasts decorative tile and granite countertops. With beautiful mature trees and an open patio, this home is the perfect space to entertain. Give us a call for your own showing at 205-632-0717.